Thank you for joining me today. Still on office and secretarial professions, Berufe in Bureau and Secretariat. This is the seventh career path. Career paths 1 to 6 have been discussed in previous videos. All the vocational training, all the career paths you can have under this, the first 6 have been discussed in previous videos. You can go and look at them. It's in the playlist. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget, share this with families and friends. It can help someone. In this video, I'll be discussing the industry Kaufman, industry Kauffrau. That's Industrial Business Management Assistant. It's a 3-year training. The duration is 3 years, and it's an Anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. They manage business processes. That is what they do. They compare suppliers and delivery. They negotiate it. They, in production management, they plan, control, and monitor production. They create the order documents as well. They create price lists of goods as well. They prepare calculations and prices, that is a price list of products that is being produced. They also offer marketing strategies. They work in it. If we are into accounting or finance, this is a course you would even want to look into if you are interested. If you have accounting background or financial background, then this is what you look into. They also look into the staffs that are being brought into the company. Where do they find employment? They find employment in almost all sectors of the economy, almost all sectors. Any company that has to do with staffs, any company that has to do with production, any company that has to do with costing of production, the planning from A to Z, that is where you can find employment as well. Don't forget, it's 3 years and it's a recognized training. It's an Anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. Without the certificate, you can't get into this. Without certificate on Abschluss, without any certificate, you can't get into this vocational training. Don't forget to write us in the comment section if you need further information. Don't forget to, we can help you and direct you the right places to go so you can start your career. Don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you. This is the 8th career path under Berufe in Bureau on Secretariat. That's the investment fund Kaufmann Kauffrau, investment fund specialist. The duration is 3 years and it's a recognized training as well. It's a recognized training. It's an Anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. What do investment fund specialists do? They work anywhere abroad to secure development. They manage customers' portfolio. They prepare reports and prepare decisions in funding decisions. They do investment plans and process it, maintain an organization, and organize marketing measures. They analyze securities, money and capital markets. They analyze it. Where do they find employment? They find employment in credit institutions, in investment capital companies, or stock exchange companies, or insurance companies. So, if you're interested to understand how the capital market works, how investment works, how it's being done, how it's been planned, then this is a career you want to look into. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. It's a 3 years training. It's a 3 years training and it's a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do need a certificate. Your Hochschulreife or your Realschulabschluss, that is your high qualification entrance, qualification, high school qualification entrance, the school living certificate. And if you don't have a certificate, your chances of getting into this career path is very slim. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. Write us if you need further questions to be answered in the comment section. We are here to point you in the right direction, where to go to, and only you can stop you.